Hey, it's Aaron. This is the story so far. Right now we're actually out on a job site. Wanted to bring you guys to my work and show you a little bit about what I do. Today I'm going to show you what happens when we're building a paint booth, and then we'll hopefully here in a day or so I'll be able to take you to another location and show you an actual paint booth that's been built and some of the maintenance work that I do on that. And then we'll hopefully have a chance to take you and show you some of the other stuff that I do. But for now, let's just have a look around and we'll show you what all is happening out here. So the first thing that we're looking at here is what you see here are two huge pieces of a heater that's going to go up on top of a building. This is for Komatsu equipment. They have big, as you can see over there in the background, like big backhoes and dozers and that they rent. Here we're looking at the shell of the paint booth. These clowns over here, you have Bill who's expertly modeling for us, and then you got Pratt. He's our helper.
Elbow, wrist.
That's right. So this is what a partial shell looks like of our paint booth. You can see the ductwork clear up in the roof there. So, a little bit. You can see the ceiling at least. So just to give you a little bit of perspective, you can see Pratt there. Pratt's about 5'6", 5'7", and that wall there is only halfway built. So as we swing around here, you're gonna look, you can see the top of our walls clear up there. It's about a 26, 28 foot tall wall. So that's right.
Well, lucky for me, I'm really skinny.
So that's going to be it for now. Like I said, I'll take you and show you a completed booth hopefully here in a couple of days. Alright, so we just looked at a paint booth that I was showing you guys that we're in the process of building. I'm about to show you what an air compressor looks like. It's a relatively simple thing. Basically is what it does is it's a machine that builds up air, hence called compressor, because it builds up compressed air that you can use to run all sorts of different equipment. A lot of times you use it to fill up the air in your tires. And so as you can see, this is what it is. This one's an Ingersoll Rand. Pretty big tank there on the bottom. And as you can see, huge controls up top here. So, and that runs all the air for this shop that I'm at right now. Kind of wish that I could get a better picture for you guys, but I'm in kind of a cramped room here. But like I said, that is the tank on the bottom there, and then you got the actual compressor to it sitting up on top, and that is a fairly big compressor. It's one of the bigger ones that we deal with. So next I'll show you what a small booth looks like. And what we're looking at here is this is one of our smaller booths that we've done, but it is a complete paint booth. Right there at the top is what you can see is a roll-up fabric door, which is pretty cool. It's just like a regular garage door, but it's a roll-up door. Right here at the back I'm showing you is the filter grids. Those are the exhaust filters for the booth. So and then right here are the intake filters. And so what happens is the air flows down through these intake filters, blows down across whatever they're painting, and right out the exhaust filters. So the exhaust filters are supposed to catch all the overspray in that, so that we're being environmentally friendly. And next I'll show you what a huge paint booth looks like that we've already completed. Alright, so now we're going to be looking at a real huge booth that we built a few years ago. And this booth is so big that you can put 4 semi-trucks in here, or 2 semi-trucks and trailers. The booth that I'm about to look at is already running, and it's got a couple of trucks in it, so let's take a look here. As you can see, it's got the ceiling filters in it. We've got 2 trucks already in it. This one is called a downdraft, and it has a filter in the floor right here. So, huge paint booth. So this is the other side of the booth. There's main filters once again. This is an empty look of the booth. And this is our pit. This is where the exhaust goes down. This is what I showed you on the other side with the trucks. We got the filter out of it right now because we're cleaning this booth. Then we've got filter grates out here with our pressure washers. And these are my crew. You got Mark over here, who's my lead man, excellent lead man. Then you got Nate.
Word.
By the point that you guys see this video, you'll know that he's already a co-host. So then that's our clean out van over there.
Better co-host than Matt, I might add.
And yeah. And that's pretty well it for this. Is what we do in here is we actually bring the pressure washers in. We wash down the walls, change whatever filters it is on a schedule, and then we put what we call booth guard back on the walls and call it done. So hopefully the next time I'll be able to get a hoist in here. If not, we'll have to see when I can get one up for another video. So until then, that's been the story so far. Alright, so here we are again, about to take a look at a couple of automotive hoists. I was actually able to get into a shop, so this is going to be the final part of this little section on me and my job. So let's have a look around, and then we'll sign off from there. So the first hoist that you're going to look at here is a 2-post hoist, and what it does is it engages the frame there. And you can see one hoist, and then that there at the top is an overhead, and then it goes down to the other post. And so you can see we have a van on it right here, and then this part right here is what we call the power unit, and that's basically what controls it. You have the tank that has hydraulics in it, and so you lift it up using the power button, and the hydraulics fill some lines here, which fill 2 rams inside. You can see it's the black thing in the middle of the blue post there, and then you have 2 equalization cables, and so that will lift up the vehicle up to your desired height, and then you can work on it. And then next over here, you can see another 2-poster right there, which is called a Challenger lift. It's basically the same thing. There are all different kinds of brands of hoists. And then right here we have what we call an in-ground hoist, and the part that you're looking at is the center cylinder, and the part that engages the vehicle is right here in the air. I've got it up because of having to use a forklift, because I'm actually doing a repair on that right now. And over here we've got the controls for it, and it's just a simple hydraulically driven type of handle, and it also operates off of air. So it's a air over hydraulics system, and so that pretty well takes it from there. You know, you've seen my paint booth, you've seen a air compressor, and now you've seen the hoist. So any other questions I'll have to try and address in later episodes. Other than that, that's been the story so far, and we'll see you in future episodes. Thanks a lot. Bye.